Hi, I'm Christine from Street Appeal Garden Solutions. I'm a horticulturalist and I've started this business because I want to be able to help people create beautiful outdoor living areas. Well, I've always loved the Australian bush, and as a kid we spent a lot of time camping in national parks. It wasn't really until I was in my early 30s that I had to create a privacy screen for a bush block that we had. I didn't know where to start, so I talked to the neighbour and I went to the nursery, and I just fell in love with plants and the whole process of creating gardens. So it wasn't too long ago that I decided to bite the bullet and follow my passion. So I studied horticulture, and I just knew that working with gardens and plants and natural spaces was something I had to do for the rest of my life.